हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द स्पोर्ट्स रिपब्लिक एंड हियर वी आर। अभी वर्ल्ड कप कुछ ही दिनों में चालू होने वाला है, तो उसके बारे में हम बात करने के लिए वी आर एट हैदराबाद KBR पार्क एंड वी हैव विद अस Umair. We have with us Umair, and what do you think about World Cup? T20 World Cup is right, just a few days.
Yeah, so as I told you just now that I'm not too hyped up about it, but then like I've been following the world warm-up matches and everything, and I think it's going to be interesting. And firstly, the India-Pakistan match, which is on the 24th of this month, I think that will be hopefully that helps me, get a little more pumped for the World Cup.
Is it because of a lot of cricket is happening and everything?
Yeah, definitely, because see, you just had the IPL finishing, and then like within 2 days you have the next tournament. So sometimes you feel like you're getting an overdose. So perhaps that is one of the reasons that I'm not too hyped about it.
Sure, but it's India-Pakistan, and India-Pakistan has to be, big. Do you have any plans for India-Pakistan?
Not till now, but let's see. I mean, there's still some days to go, and maybe by then I'll have some plans.
And like it's India-Pakistan. This is apparently the first T20 World Cup of Virat Kohli and last as well. What do you think of Virat Kohli as captain? Last as in captain, as a captain.
I think I would prefer to have him as a batsman in my team over. I mean, I don't like him as a captain, but he's not bad because we've seen the results, and even I feel the way he leads. I don't know. I'm not too convinced by the ways of leading. So I think I'm not too sure about his captaincy. Like I'm fine with it, but I'm not too convinced by it.
Okay, so if not Virat Kohli, there are news yet not confirmed, but Rohit Sharma is going to be the new captain. Or do you like him as a captain, or do you want to see someone else as a captain?
No, I think Rohit, like if he's given a chance, maybe he can perform. But again, you cannot be assured that he'll get results. So I don't think it's it's the right thing to change the captain at this juncture. So I feel that going with Virat would be fine as well.
Also, we'll be having Mahendra Singh Dhoni with us in our camp and as a mentor. Like everyone is saying, mentor Singh Dhoni. What are your thoughts about Mahendra Singh Dhoni? Are you a big fan of MS Dhoni or what?
Yeah, like I like Dhoni, and then definitely there's something about him because you see even the Chennai team, like whoever comes to the team, they start performing. Like you look at the SRH team, you have new guys like Samad and all these guys. I feel like if they get someone as a mentor like Dhoni or even their support system, I think it matters a lot because like we have seen the results. I mean, and any player who goes to CSK, he starts performing. So there's definitely something about his mentorship or his leadership that inspires young players to perform well.
Definitely. So in the World Cup, we have seen KL Rahul is in top form right now. Do you see who do you see will make the most runs for India and will take more wickets for India?
Yeah, I think as you said that KL Rahul is in good form, so he has a good chance of performing. So I hope not to be disappointed by him. So I would love to see him perform. And in terms of bowling, also you have a lot of options. Like even I think now Hardik Pandya is back from injury. Maybe he gets to bowl a bit. So let's see. I mean, I'm pretty hopeful. Like we have a good bowling attack and a batting attack. So very balanced, I feel.
And one last question. What chances do you see of India? कहाँ तक जा सकते हैं, semi-final, final, or you see?
I think semi-final, I'm pretty sure they'll reach the semi-finals. After that, I can't say because there's a knockout stage and then you can't really predict. But then I think we have a strong enough side to get to the semi-finals.
Again, as an Indian, we always hope and we always feel that India will win in India-Pakistan for sure. Any prediction for that?
That's India 100%.
That's India 100%. Thank you so much, Umair. Thank you so much for your time and have a nice day. Hi guys, we are at KBR Park again and we are here with us हर्ष. हम हर्ष के साथ है आज KBR पार्क में और वर्ल्ड कप अभी बस कुछ दिनों में चालू हो रहा है. वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट वर्ल्ड कप. सो वर्ल्ड कप इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान, व्हाट आर योर फर्स्ट थॉट? कुछ प्लान्स है इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान के लिए?
जस्ट एक्साइटिंग एंड जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर इट. काफ़ी टाइम से ऐसे मैचेस हुए नहीं है. So बीच में ये सब लॉकडाउन एंड नाउ वी हैव समथिंग अ नाइस गेम कमिंग अप. सो रियली एक्साइटेड.
ऑफ कोर्स. और वर्ल्ड कप और इंडिया पाकिस्तान बहुत ज़्यादा हिस्ट्री है. हमने कभी उनको जीतने दिया नहीं है. सो इस पर्टिकुलर मैच के बारे में भी क्या लगता है? जीतने देंगे, नहीं देंगे? बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
डेफिनेटली इंडियन टीम काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है as compared to Pakistan's team. So I think the experience of the players would speak again in the matches. So let's see. Let's hope India wins.
लेट्स होप इंडिया विंस. और उसी के साथ साथ ये विराट कोहली का आखिरी T20 वर्ल्ड कप होगा एज अ कैप्टन. व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट इट?
I think it's all like internal discussions. Like they might have discussed in terms of the favor of the team itself. So whatever it is, like they might be planning something for future as well. So it totally depends on the team.
एंड MS धोनी भी हमारे साथ रहेंगे इस पर्टिकुलर वर्ल्ड कप में एज अ मेंटोर. और वी हैव लॉट, धोनी के बारे में कुछ अलग रिस्पेक्ट होता है सब लोगों का कि सारा जो जीता है अभी तक. तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट MS धोनी's presence in the dressing room?
I think we've already seen people like who have had experiences like VVS Lakshman and such players who have been backing up team India, giving their experience. So it's like similar way like now we have Dhoni. It's just that we have like a different kind of respect. His name is used in a different way. So it's I feel it's the same thing. The experienced players coming back to India and then guiding the juniors players to perform well.
या राइट. और तुम्हें क्या लगता है कि कौन सा ऐसा प्लेयर होगा जो हमको वर्ल्ड कप जिताएगा, लाइक हु विल प्ले द इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल फॉर अस? लाइक इट्स ऑलवेज अ टीम गेम, बट कोई एक प्लेयर होता है जो कोई एक बैट्समैन होता है, कोई एक बॉलर होता है, उसके बारे में क्या लगता है?
I think in terms of bowlers, I think Jasprit Bumrah might be one who might shine really well. And batsmen तो काफ़ी सारे हैं. So like let's let's see what the final team is, who all come into the final playing 11 and then
या सो और लास्टली एक फाइनल प्रेडिक्शन टाइप्स कि कहाँ तक इंडिया जाएगा. आपको ऐसा लगता है सेमीफाइनल, फाइनल, या फिर हम ट्रॉफी लेके आएंगे?
semi-final तो for sure trophy.
So semi-final is the common answer we are getting right now. So thank you so much for your time and thank you guys. So we are here at KBR Park with Drishat, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So we are here with Drishat and we are going to ask him some questions about World Cup T20 and of course, like, are you hyped about World Cup?
Yes, I'm very excited to watch those matches. I'm waiting for the matches to start.
First match exactly, India versus Pakistan. What do you think?
I'm very excited of the match and missing few people in the squad and I'm excited how the new squad performs.
What you talked about missing few players? Who do you think we are missing?
Like Dhawan, he isn't in the team, but he's number one T20 batsman, but he's missing the tournament.
Also, any other bowler, Yuzvendra Chahal, do you think we are missing him, or Harshal Patel, who was a purple cap holder from IPL?
Yeah, they are great bowlers, but it's sad to see them not playing in the team this time.
Okay, cool. And India versus Pakistan, do you have any plans as of yet, or what?
I'm expecting it to watch with the friends and everyone.
A great friend. Definitely is decided to watch it with your friends. Who do you think will perform better in India, particularly India versus Pakistan?
I guess India is more dominant with Pakistan in the past few years. I think India is gonna dominate them.
And also any player as such, like is there any player who do you think will play better from Indian side?
I guess it's Virat.
It's Virat Kohli. And talking about Virat Kohli, it's going to be Virat Kohli's last tournament, T20 tournament as a captain. How do you think his captaincy is like?
He's an excellent captain, but it's sad to see him dropping down his captaincy for the last time he's playing his World Cup, and it's great to see him for the last time as a captain.
Great. And also there is MS Dhoni as well in our squad as a mentor. What do you think about, like, how will his presence impact our team?
He's a great legend, so we expect the team boost its all abilities with his mentorship, and I hope he's gonna make great changes in the team.
And what chances do you see of India's in this tournament particularly? Do you see them reaching in semi-finals, finals, or do you see them winning the tournament?
I expect them reaching the finals or semi-finals. I think they are teams like West Indies. We are good with who are good at T20s, and have a better scope than our team, I guess.
Okay, so that was that from Drishyat, right? Yeah. So any last thought? Then who is going to be our main guy for World Cup? Like from our team, who's gonna win us the tournament?
I think it's Bumrah and Virat, I guess.
So it is Bumrah and Virat for Drishyat, and we'll see more of them. Thank you so much, Drishyat. So we are here at KBR Park, Hyderabad, and we are here with us
Ravan.
So we are going to ask him a few questions about World Cup and India versus Pakistan pehla game 24th. Do you have any plans for that first?
Yeah, of course.
What?
Actually, Dhoni is mentor now. Now we'll actually almost win it that game.
Okay, I'm almost we win it. There is no doubt in his mind कि धोनी है तो बिल्कुल जीतना ही जीतना है. And apart from Dhoni is a mentor.
Yeah.
Apart from Dhoni, it's Virat Kohli's last World Cup as well, and T20 tournament as well, where he's going to captain Team India. What do you think about Virat Kohli's captaincy so far?
Yeah, it's also nice. He's aggressive captain, right? That's why.
Yeah, exactly. And 24th of October, India versus Pakistan. Who do you think will play the better role for India?
KL Rahul.
So KL Rahul is in form as well, and that's why. And in bowlers,
Bowlers, Jasprit Bumrah.
okay, Jasprit Bumrah and KL Rahul is his choice. And India के कहाँ तक chances लगते हैं? Semi-final, final or
Almost semi-finals will qualify easily.
semi-final qualify easily, and about winning? What do you think? What are the chances? What is the percentage-wise prediction for India?
I'll go 100%.
100% we are going to win the.
Yeah.
We are going to win the
The
World
World
Cup.
Cup.
We are going to win the World Cup. That's done for him. There is no doubt in his mind. And for the whole World Cup, what do you think? Because Rohit Sharma is also there, and Rohit Sharma is probably
Sir
going.
Jadeja is also there.
Sir Jadeja is
I'm
al-
a big fan of Sir Jadeja.
Oh,
now.
you are a big fan of Sir Jadeja, and also he'll contribute in every way possible, batting, bowling, or fielding. And we were talking about Rohit Sharma. Rohit Sharma as a captain, I think probably he's going to be our captain coming, for T20. So what do you think about Rohit Sharma as a captain?
Okay, he will also be job done. Right.
He'll also get the job done.
Okay.
That's great. And you have already said that India will win the World Cup.
Surely.
And if India wins the World Cup, who is going to be your main person who is doing that for you? Is it KL Rahul, Virat Kohli?
And Sir Jadeja.
Sir Jadeja and Virat Kohli he's a big fan of Sir Jadeja, I see. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you.